Gardening has recently become an amusing hobby for a bunch of people, and they strive to get the best tool from the market to maintain their garden's overall condition and look. So now, let's see some amazing gardening inventions you haven't seen yet. Getting all the soil digging tasks with manual hand tools is good until your hand becomes fatigued. Here is the Roto Shovel that digs holes 3 times faster than a garden spade. Despite having a sleek and handy design, the Roto Shovel works similarly to the big electric earth augers. It has a motorized drill bit that easily digs up to 7 inches deep of 3 inches in diameter. It's perfect for bulbs, flowers, and vegetables. The most amazing part of this tool is that it automatically detects any hard objects and stops drilling immediately to be on the safe side. Your kids may think it's their Christmas present, but this is the Husqvarna Robotic Lawnmower. Of course, it's the coolest one. This lawnmower is an advanced all-wheel drive that easily tackles rough and tough terrains. It manages extreme slopes, which your old mowers never did. And the best pro of this lawnmower, is it allows you to control it via voice commands. This Automower is ideal for medium-sized lawns, up to 0.9 acres, and comes with various exclusive features that will keep you worrying less during a busy home remodeling day. Okay, you have all your favorite pairs of shoes in your shoebox, but have you ever used something like this before? If not, then take a closer look. It's not an ordinary shoe after all. These lawn Aerator sandals bring out the most effortless way to take care of your garden. Unlike the regular sandals you buy from the supermarket, you must assemble them first. However, the process is simple. Wear it over your shoes and just walk. You won't even know when you've done the job. This is not like your typical zero-turn mower. This Cub Cadet is a uniquely designed mower that provides the best-in-class outcomes while keeping you comfortable in an ergonomic seat with easy-to-use controls. It has an offset front axle that ensures pinpoint trimming over your lawn. And the fabricated arrow face cutting deck is proven to deliver a tremendous look to your garden, though it totally runs on a battery. So you and your neighbor no longer have to deal with annoying gas fumes and ear-busting noises. So now, you'll start loving gardening more now, as you'll get a great runtime and a pre-built debris collector. The next tool on the list will change how you blow landscape leaves around your garden. It is Ego's Commercial Series 600 CFM leaf blower that simply allows you to complete large cleanings with 5 hours of continuous runtime. Thanks to the Ego's commercial backup battery system, you can select between 4 speeds according to your preferences. Plus, the boost mode makes sure you work like a pro. And the thing worth saying, this blower has an extremely lightweight design, so it'll be a perfect buy for landscaping pros. Lastly, the most satisfying thing is it tackles heavier debris like the way it deals with leaves. You must be thinking about how you've overlooked it. This tool might look confusing. This is the VerdeMax Electric Weed Remover. Whether you need to eliminate weeds without using herbicides or with minimal effort, the VerdeMax Presenta will do that for you. Thanks to its ultimate 2,000-watt heating power, you can take on every application. And the adjustable operating temperature between 50 and 600 degrees Celsius lets you maintain accuracy on the job, preventing all overheating scenarios. Another cool thing about this VerdeMax, it weighs less than 1 kilogram, meaning you will be completing all your jobs spending a little effort. Maybe you're still picking up sweet gumballs with your bare hand, do you? This Hazelnut Harvester will save you time and make picking up all the sweet gumballs easier. And of course, it won't bend over ever. Plus, it's affordable and made of quality plastics that make it very handy to use. Plus, the ergonomic shape, quick picking releasing mechanism, and fork-type head let you change the game easily. You don't need any expertise to use it over your garden. People of any age can pick nuts with this Hazelnut Harvester. When you have to move water drums back and forth to water your trees, it's tough. That's where the Holman retractable hose reel comes into the field and saves you from the pain. If you want a neat and tidy garden, you should attach this hose reel somewhere near your garden. This hose uses the grip lock brass hose fitting technology and comes with a motorized roll-up mechanism, so you can get all the watering tasks in a breeze. You can easily do that with one hand, whether you need to pull or tug it out. Surprisingly, the hose stops when you stop. Oh, there's a backyard party tonight, but you have to split firewood logs for the campfire now? Maybe using a heavy axe isn't a better option than this Sun Joe Logger Joe. Well, this is a manually operated log splitter that has the power of a 2-speed pump and quickly generates up to 10 tons of driving force, meaning you can split firewood logs up to 18 inches long and 8 inches wide. Worried about the durability? Not an issue. This LJ10M is manufactured of heavy-duty steel construction to ensure reliable power and top-notch performance, season after season, year after year. Here's another thing for watering your favorite lawn. Whether you've got a large garden or front yard, this Holman will be a great solution to get it wet. It has a superior double O-ring connection that maintains constant water flow during the whole process. Interestingly, it has up to 300 meters square coverage, so you don't need to change its position frequently. With the patented turbine drive design, it provides 16 nozzle performance with an adjustable spray pattern. All your watering issues will no more bother you. Cherry on top, there's also a cleaning pin that saves you from clogged nozzles. Is your lawn not in need of a bath? So that was the list of amazing gardening inventions you haven't seen yet. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.